Today, I'm going to be unboxing a DJI OM4. Let's open it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! And the DJI OM4.
What is it?
It's a robot surf stick, and it moves its head. It follows you around whenever you run. It still takes perfect video. And a lot of YouTubers use it, and I'm going to be using it. Stay tuned, I'm going to be using it in my videos. Bye! It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, click the subscribe button down below, turn the notification bell on, and smash the like button.